what's up? I'm Neha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing one of the most popular Indian online shopping apps, that is Meesho. So Meesho is an online reselling app in which we can also earn money. So let me show you how we can do that.
First, open the Meesho app. Then select any item of your choice. You can share the images as well as the description through WhatsApp. Select the size and the item will be added to your cart. Now you have to check out. You can pay online or you can use the cash on delivery option. If you are the seller, you can put a price higher than the actual price. So I am taking 600, so that gives me 84 rupees profit. The profit will be directly transferred to your account. So if you are buying, you can put the actual price and buy it.
Okay, so today's video will also be a try-on haul wherein I'll try all of the products that I've bought from Meesho. So the one thing that I noticed about Meesho was that all the products you can get it for very cheap. All the items you'll get it for wholesale price. So yeah, the first item that I got from Meesho was this fake Gucci belt. Okay, so this costed me 163 rupees, but as this was the first order, I got it for 130 rupees. And yeah, you can see that the logo doesn't match. Although the logo doesn't match, the quality is quite appreciable. Okay, so the next item that I got from Meesho was these two t-shirts, black and the white one. This is in the size medium. These two t-shirts costed me rupees 365. So yeah, a very big thumbs up for these two t-shirts as well. Okay, so the third item that I got was this vitamin C facial serum, and it costed me rupees 154. And yeah, it's actually a very good product and I literally love this. I use this every morning and night. It smells amazing. And with this serum, I got this free. So in Meesho, they'll be giving you free gifts as well. I love this product and overall this is an amazing one. Okay, so moving on, I have this. Of course, this is fake. The MAC Studio Finish foundation, face and body foundation, and a Dermacol. So I got this in a combo and it costed me rupees 220. Inside, you'll have this little container. Ew, this smells very bad, guys. I actually don't want to try this on. It smells really bad. Okay, so I'll save this for later. With this in the combo, I got this, the Dermacol. It is popular all over the internet and people are saying that it can cover your scars like wonders. So yeah, it looks like this. It smells amazing. Okay, so the next product that I ordered was these three foundation brushes. The sponge, the oval brush, and this is the puff brush. These three costed me rupees 191. Look at this. Okay, so honestly, I love the brushes. It's very soft and yeah, it's quite thick. Even this brush, I expected it to be a bit bigger. So overall, this is a pretty good product. They gave me a free Kajal pencil. The eye pencil, I got it free. This is quite pigmented and I really loved it. Okay, so the one amazing thing that I found about Meesho was all the facial kits. You can get it from 135 rupees. Can you believe it? So I got this, the NutriGlow 3-in-1 Premium Choice Facial Care product. And this costed me only 271 rupees. Okay, so let me tell you the actual MRP of this product. That is 1,350 rupees. And I got it for 271 rupees. So let me open this and show. Actually pretty big. The cleanser, scrub, gel, cream and pack. You get all the 5 in pretty huge boxes. But I really can't believe this costed me only 271 in the wholesale price. The next product is the 5-in-1 Beauty Care Massage. This is a massager for when you're doing facial. I got this for rupees 308. So you will have this massager, and here you get several massaging equipments. Like the first one is like this, the brush, the derma roller kind of thing, this spongy thing. There's also a bigger sponge kind of thing, and this is like a scrubber. And it's very easy to use. You can just take this out, pull this out, and put the other one in. And I give it a very big thumbs up. And the last product for today is the stylish cotton 19 to 100 double bed sheet, the queen size bed sheet.
This costed me rupees 349.
It is a pleasant night view with moons and stars. These are the pillow covers, and this actually I loved it. It's of a very good quality. The fabric is very soft, and overall I love the product. I'll try the makeup now. On the right side, I'll be applying the MAC Studio Finish foundation, of course the fake one. And on the left side, I'll be applying Dermacol to see which one conceals better. I'll be using these 3 brushes to blend in. So this one, by the way, I have no makeup on my face right now. This is very creamy. I'll use the Beauty Blender. Ew. Guys, can you see this? It's not blending at all. No, it's not blending at all. It's a very bad foundation. Buff brush. Oh my god. No. It's burning. This is not working properly. Okay, so this foundation is the worst product I've ever put on my skin. For the left side, I'll be trying the Dermacol foundation. It is quite liquidy. See here. First, I'll use the oval brush. It's not blending. It's like a patch on my skin. What's wrong with these? Use the other brush now. Very thick layer, but I don't think I'll ever wear this outside. Look at my skin tone. So I'll use my fingers to blend this. Okay, so this is how my skin looks after applying Dermacol and the MAC Studio Finish foundation. Have you seen the Asian complete makeup transformation? I think those people use shades like this. Actually speaking, it is covering pretty well. Don't use this as a foundation. It's only good as a concealer. Now I'll use this, the eyeliner pencil that I got free with those brushes. Not the best eyeliner pencil that I've ever used, but yeah, this is quite good. Okay, so now let me use the serum. Facial massager. So satisfying. It works on a cell, but I don't have a cell right now, so I just use it like this. This feels really good, guys. Very big thumbs up to this massager. This is how the black t-shirt looks like. I am in love with this t-shirt, you guys. It's amazing. It feels so soft, but the fabric is quite transparent. And let me try on the belt. This is how the belt looks. I think it's pretty cute. I'll make a separate video on how to do facial. Okay, so now I'll not be applying this. Lastly, I'll change the bedsheet. My bed is king sized, but this bedspread is queen sized. Yet it fits perfectly. Okay, so this is how my bed looks. The print is amazing. So this was the Meesho haul all about. By the way, Meesho sells amazing jewelry for very low prices, and I'll be uploading a jewelry haul in my next video. So comment down below if you want me to do any other hauls of any other apps that you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.